This dress flew off the shelves the first time, and now it's back. Meet the Denim Shacket dress by Bird Keepers. Part shirt, part jacket, all style. Made from 100% cotton with an easy oversized fit, it's your new go-to for comfort and compliments. And don't just take our word for it, our customers are raving. Very comfy. So flattering. A true shirt dress. With limited stock and a 4.5-star rating, this one's flying fast. Don't wait, this is your chance to snap it up before it disappears again.